Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really simple nail art design to share with you guys. This is a glitter and neon pink wavy design, but you could totally switch up the color palette to whatever you want. But anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. I'm starting off with HEROINE NYC's Watch Me Sparkle, which is a gorgeous silver holographic glitter polish, and I'm going to apply 3 coats of this to all of my nails as my base just to build up the opacity. And because this glitter polish does dry a little bit textured, I'm going to apply 1 coat of GLISTEN Glow's Glitter Grabber, which is a glitter smoothing top coat, before I start the nail art. I'm going to be freehanding the little wavy lines with one of my favorite nail art brushes. This one is from NAILSTUFF.CA and it's their 11mm nail art liner brush. You can use my affiliate code MEL10 to get 10% off your first purchase, and as always I'll leave links down below in the description box for the products that I'm going to be using in this video. The first polish that I'm going to go in with is HEROINE NYC's Peach Please, which is a really pretty pastel peach cream polish, and I'm going to paint 1 thin wavy line across my nail with that 11mm brush. Next, I'm going to use HEROINE NYC's Mean Girl, which is a deeper neon pink cream polish, and I'm going to paint another thin wavy line just below the peach one. To complete the color palette, I'm using Butter London's Cotton Buds, which is a white cream polish, and I'm going to paint 1 more thin wavy line above the peach one. And finally, I'm going to top off this design with Butter London's Hardwear Shine UV Top Coat to add a super glossy shine. And here is the finished design. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail art look. If you recreate this design, I would love to see it, so be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and anyways, that's all for today. I will see you guys next time. Bye!